Creating content is hard work, so the smartest creators in 2026 do not create more, they create once and multiply. Using AI, you can take a single piece of content and turn it into 10, reaching far more people across every platform without 10 times the effort. By the end of this video, you will know the exact workflow to do it. Here is the mistake almost everyone makes with content. They think growth comes from creating more and more videos, more posts, more everything, until they burn out and quit. The exhaustion is real, and it is why most people who start creating content give up within a few months. The creators who actually grow think completely differently. They understand that one strong piece of content contains within it 10 or more smaller pieces. So instead of constantly creating new things, they create one excellent core piece and then multiply it across every format and platform. AI has made this multiplication faster and easier than ever. In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn one piece of content into 10. Let us get into it. Welcome back to wealthai, where smart strategy meets the most powerful AI tools to help you build real wealth and reach wherever you are in the world. If you are on YouTube, subscribe. If you are on Rumble, please follow the channel. It genuinely helps us grow. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The shift starts in how you think. Stop seeing a piece of content as a single thing you make and post once. Start seeing it as a source, a core asset that can be broken apart, reshaped, and redistributed in many forms. A single video, for example, contains a main idea, several subpoints, memorable quotes, a story, and a conclusion. Each of those can become its own piece of content. This is leverage. The hard part of content. The thinking, the research, the core message. You do once. The multiplication, turning it into different formats, is fast, especially with AI. So your effort goes into one strong idea, and your reach multiplies across everything. This is how creators who appear to be everywhere actually operate. They are not creating 10 separate things, they are multiplying one. Everything begins with one solid core piece of content. This is usually a longer, more substantial format, a long video, a detailed article, a podcast episode, or a comprehensive post. It should contain a complete idea with several supporting points, because those points become your smaller pieces. Put your real effort here. Make this core piece genuinely valuable, well-structured, and complete. Use Claude to help you research, structure, and refine it until it is strong. Claude is free to start and linked in the description. The quality of everything you multiply depends on the quality of this source, so this is where your focus belongs. Get the core piece right, and the multiplication produces 10 strong pieces rather than 10 weak ones. Now the multiplication. Take your core piece and use AI to break it into many smaller formats. Give Claude your core content and ask it to extract the key points as a series of short social posts. Ask it to pull out the most powerful quotes as standalone graphics. Ask it to turn the main idea into a thread. Ask it to summarize it as a newsletter. Ask it to write short video scripts for each subpoint. In minutes, AI transforms one piece into a dozen smaller ones, each focused on a single angle. For video content specifically, a tool like Opus Clip, linked in the description, automatically cuts your long video into short clips for Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. Use Canva to turn quotes and points into polished graphics and carousels. What would take hours of manual work, AI and these tools do in a fraction of the time. Each platform rewards a slightly different style, so the final touch is adapting your pieces for where they will live. A point that works as a punchy short video on TikTok might work as a detailed thread on one platform and a professional post on another. AI handles this adaptation effortlessly. Ask it to rewrite the same core point in the style and tone that suits each specific platform. This matters because content that fits a platform's native style performs far better than content that feels copied and pasted across everywhere. With AI, Adapting for each platform takes seconds, rather than requiring you to be an expert in every platform's culture. You take one idea and present it in the ideal form for each audience, maximizing how well it performs everywhere it appears. Finally, turn this into a repeatable system so it runs smoothly every time. Build a simple workflow, create your core piece, run it through your AI multiplication steps, adapt for each platform, and schedule everything. Organize it all in a workspace like Notion, linked in the description, so you have a clear, repeatable process rather than starting from scratch each time. Once your workflow is set, content creation transforms from an exhausting grind into an efficient system. You create one strong piece on a schedule, multiply it, and distribute everywhere, reaching far more people with far less effort and stress. This is the difference between creators who burn out and creators who grow steadily for years. The system is what makes it sustainable, and AI is what makes the system fast. So that is how to use AI to turn one piece of content into 10. Adopt the multiplication mindset, create one strong core piece, use AI to break it into many formats, adapt each for its platform, and build it into a repeatable workflow. You reach 10 times more people without 10 times the work. The single biggest leverage point in content creation today. Your action this week. Take one piece of content you have already made, give it to Claude, and ask it to turn it into 5 smaller pieces. Experience the multiplication for yourself. Claude is free and linked below. Hit the like button if this changed how you see content. Subscribe on YouTube, follow on Rumble. Next video, we are back on the UK finance side with a how-to on building a pension pot from scratch. Drop a comment below. What piece of content will you multiply first? I read every single one, wherever you are in the world. I am wealthai. Work smarter, not harder. One great idea, multiplied, beats 10 mediocre ones. And this is just the beginning.